Most Kiwis couldn't tell you what the OCR is, but everyone pays for it, in their mortgage, in your groceries, and in your savings. And here's how it actually works. It all starts with inflation. And inflation is just the cost of living going up. This primarily comes from businesses putting their prices up, and businesses put their prices up when the economy's hot, lots of customers, plenty of demand, and they reckon they can get away with it. Now, the Reserve Bank's job is to keep inflation between 1% and 3%, not too hot, not too cold. If it does get too hot, you get a cost of living crisis. Too cold, and people wait for things to get cheaper next month, stop spending, and that's the fastest way for the whole economy to go down the gurgler. So, when inflation drifts outside that band, they reach for the OCR, which is the official cash rate. It's the Reserve Bank's interest rate, and it impacts all the other interest rates in the economy. So, if the OCR goes up, your mortgage interest rate goes up. If it starts to go down, your mortgage rate often goes down too. Now, when inflation's running too hot, they push the OCR up, and that leads us on to step number 3, which is that the banks start to follow, both with their mortgage rates and term deposits. Both go up. So it costs you more if you're borrowing, and you make more money if you're saving. So rather than going on a spending splurge, people keep more of their money in savings. And that leads us to your weekly budget, because if your mortgage costs more, you've got less money left over each week and you don't have as much spare cash. And if that happens to lots and lots of households all around the country, millions of Kiwis tighten their spending, and collectively that adds up and the economy slows down, and that impacts the prices you pay at the checkout, because those businesses who are trying to increase their prices, they can't do it without losing lots of customers. So prices stop climbing, inflation cools, and you get back to where we started, which is why when inflation gets too hot, the OCR goes up to get inflation back down.